What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to give you the best affiliate marketing blueprint for beginners. So over the past few weeks I've been getting into my messages over on Facebook, and I've been getting thousands and thousands of messages, so thank you for that. But I've been getting into them, and the first question I get almost all the time when it comes to affiliate marketing is, how do I do it? I'm new. Okay, I'm a beginner, I haven't really started, I haven't made my first dollar. What do you recommend? Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to hop in the computer in just a second. I'm going to show you a simple, easy to follow affiliate marketing blueprint for beginners that can make you money. So let's go. Alright guys, so here's what I'm going to show you. Okay, I want to show you a simple, proven process that actually works. Okay, so this right here, I'm just going to go and draw it on this little online whiteboard thing. Okay, so we start here with content, and so I'm just gonna write C-O-N-T. Okay, that's content. Here's the cool part. Once you create content, then you can take traffic from that content right there and send them over to something else. All right, and so what you want to do is you want to create some type of helpful guide. I'm just put help. That's what it's supposed to spell, and G. Okay, helpful guide. The reason why you want to create a helpful guide is because you want to educate people here inside the content, but then what you want to do is you want to help them out in an additional way. That's where the helpful guide comes in, where you make money as an affiliate, and this is what I mean by an easy affiliate marketing blueprint right here. Okay, I put follow up. Or follow up. There you go. Follow up. You get the idea. Okay. So this is just a follow up. And these right here are going to be emails. Okay. The reason why you want to do this is because if you have a bunch of emails that are getting sent out to people that are already interested in your content, that already want to know how to do X, you're going to be able to make more money. Okay. Let me show you an example. Okay. Let me give you an example actually. So we have our content here. So let's say my content right here is, let's say, cross country running. Okay, cross country running. That's what my content's on. And so that's what my niche is. So the content that I created, okay, so my content right here, let's say I created a YouTube video on how to run farther, okay? You want to be able to run far, right? How do you do that? How do you work up to that? Go from 1 mile to 2 miles to 3 miles to 4 miles to 15 miles. How do you do that? Well, that's what I'm going to create content on. But then what I want to do, if we come back here, we want a helpful guide. So right here, we're going to give a guide out, a free guide on, how to run further. What do you do? The tools you need to run further. Okay, that's what's inside this guide. Okay, and this guide again is free. That's right, free. Okay, that's a free guide right here. And the best part is that, so there's a tool I use. It's called Builderall. You can see it right here. You can start for free. Okay, I'll put a link down in the description box below if you want to check it out. You can get Builderall. It's normally $29 a month, but it comes with the things where you can actually make all the pages, and it also has a bunch of other tools as well. But the nice thing that it has that I absolutely love is it has an autoresponder. It's called Mailing Boss Autoresponder. And so you can send out emails, which is what I talked about right here inside the follow-up. Because once you send them the free guide, that means you have their email address. So why don't you follow up with them? Okay? And send them, okay, we'll just write follow. There we go. Start follow-up. Oh, we're at follow-up. Okay, so we're going to send them email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4. All these are important. The reason why is because if we follow up with them, let's say email 1, we give out the shoes that you use or you recommend. Okay, and you put a link to go buy the shoes over on Amazon. Great. If they buy those shoes, you make some money. Let's say on top of that, the shoes aren't the only problem. You need some insoles. Okay, insoles right here. And so on top of the shoes, maybe they decide to buy the insoles that you recommended in email 2. On top of that, maybe you, I think our runners put tape over their nipples just so that they don't get, like, rub them off or something. I don't know what they call it. I don't run that much, but you get the point. And so what kind of tape do they use? Is it special tape? Is it special shirt? Do they carry water with them? Do they wear a camel pack? How do cross-country runners really run efficiently without getting tired? Still able to stay hydrated and all this stuff. There could be tips right here. Okay? And all this stuff is simple because once this is created, the guide and the follow-up, all you got to work on is additional content. Okay? And that's where you can start with YouTube. You can go with Instagram. There's Facebook. Okay? Let's say you're going to go to Quora or Pinterest. Just put PT. Okay? There's so many options. Maybe Twitter. It doesn't matter. Okay? The key, if you want to be successful as an affiliate marketer, especially as a beginner, you have to focus on this back end stuff over here. Okay? Let me change the color. Okay? You got to focus on this back end stuff to begin with. Because if you don't create this, then all the content that you create is just sending people nowhere. You want to send them to a dedicated space where hopefully they will buy the products, they will invest in themselves and put in their email address, their name, to get the free guide to learn whatever it is they're wanting to learn. Because I guarantee you, it doesn't matter what your niche is. It could be cross-country running, it could be downhill skiing, it could be wakeboarding, it could be swimming, it could be growing an ant farm. It doesn't matter. People are out there willing to learn and spend money on their hobbies, their interests, okay, and their passions. And that's what you need to do. So, if you want to make more money, okay, you want to do this, the follow-up and the helpful guide, okay, right here, I guarantee you, you can benefit from Builderall. Go and use the link, okay, I think it's a 7-day or 14-day free trial to use Builderall. Go check it out, highly recommend it. If you have questions on it, let me know, I'm here to help. So before you rush off and go try to make some money, I want to give you some tips that are going to help you along the way. Tip number 1, and it's actually very simple, is to decide what is your platform of choice to get your free traffic. I understand paid traffic is all the rage. Everybody's doing it. It's the best thing to do. It's the best thing since bottled water, since sliced bread. And it is. It's great. However, if you don't understand affiliate marketing to begin with, throwing money at your business and hoping it grows and makes you money is a bad idea. Start with free traffic, okay? And the reason why I say free traffic and to go after a specific platform, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Instagram or Facebook, it doesn't matter, websites or paid traffic, they're all great. But start with free traffic so you understand the business model first. You can make your first dollar and then you can roll that into other free traffic methods, or can roll that into paid traffic methods. Okay, so that's the first thing. If you guys need help on how to make money through affiliate marketing on YouTube, I'll put a link to a course down below. It's my affiliate marketing on YouTube course. I'll discount it. It's normally $67. Use the link down below. You can get it for 20 bucks. All right. So tip number 2, when you are doing affiliate marketing, the most important thing, in my opinion, is the email follow-ups. Okay, that's why I gave you a link. Okay, use the link down in the description box below. You can get a free trial. I think it's a 7-day or 14-day free trial to Builderall, and from there you can create your landing pages where you can offer your free guides, your free value builders, like I like to call them. And then from there, Builderall also has an email autoresponder that you can use. Okay, it's called Mailing Boss. It's inside their software, which is perfect because you pay for this thing. If you decide to pay for Builderall, it's $30 a month, and you get landing pages where you can build any website you want to, and you get email follow-ups. Okay, you have an autoresponder, so that works out amazing because, in my opinion, the follow-up is where the money's at. Yeah, offering that initial content is great, and providing that follow-up value, creating that value ladder is another great thing. But if you don't follow up with them over and over again, chances of you making more money as an affiliate marketer are smaller, okay? And you don't want that. Tip number 3, not every niche you jump into is gonna yield the same results in the same amount of time. For example, if you try to jump into the make money online niche, you are going to struggle. You're going to struggle mightily in the very beginning. Maybe you want to go after how to start downhill mountain biking or how to run a marathon. Those are going to be niches that you can jump into with less competition, so it means you're going to make more money in the beginning than if you try to compete for the make money online niche, all right? I'm just putting it out there because when I first started, I was making money in other niches and I decided, let's jump into the make money online niche, see what happens. I struggled. It took years to be able to make some actual money from the make money online niche because it was just so competitive. And right now, it's even more competitive. So hopefully these tips help you out. Hopefully this video helps you out. If you have any questions on this entire thing, on this easy to follow, simple, proven process to do affiliate marketing, okay, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.